So hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Messiah Gains on Card. This part series of the Mercedes C180. So if you missed the last episode, you can go and check that out. But this is basically my Mercedes 1999 C180. It's a real classic. Basically used it for years. It was my mother's car and then it was passed down to me. Used it through high school, absolutely loved it. Manual gearbox, so much fun to drive. And then the car sort of sat for a while when I went to university. Was having problems and I'm guessing something died. And battery died obviously, but I think the fuel pump also gave out and a bit of issues with the throttle. So the car sat for about 5 years, I would say. Now I'm at a point where I want to get the car back running. So a brief overview of what I did so far. So first of all, I did do some work on the car for a couple of weeks before shooting the first video. I had my mechanics over. I just wanted to see if there wasn't anything critically wrong with the car. So we ran a bunch of programming with the computers, checked all engine pressures, everything. First thing, obviously, when you turn the key, there's a sound that comes. That's the fuel pump. The first time we turned the key, there was no sound at all. So basically, fuel pump was dead. So first part that was replaced was that fuel pump. Now after the fuel pump, we ran again lots of computer programming again with my Mercedes technician, and everything seemed to look okay. Needed to get the programming done correctly, and eventually managed to actually get that engine started. I've got a big 100 amp battery in there now, which I believe has also been it's made a big change. These cars have to take 100 amp. You put a 70 amp battery in there, it's not going to do any good. Now we're at a stage where I'm going to now clean the car up. It's very dirty, it's sat, I've not touched it. The exterior paint I will look at in another episode, but today we want to tackle the inside. Get this looking really clean, really nice, and then deal with the other stuff later.